Hello everyone, welcome back to Insta Famous Model channel. Keep watching. Let's this video. Don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Love you. A long-time beauty contestant, she was the first runner-up in the Miss America pageant in 2014. She and Miss America 2014, Nina Davuluri, are both Asian American. Crystal Lee is a well-known pageant contestant. Crystal was born on August 2, 1991 in San Francisco, California. Crystal is one of the famous and trending celeb who is popular for being a pageant contestant. As of 2018, Crystal Lee is 27 years old. Crystal Lee is a member of famous pageant contestant list. Crystal Lee as of the popular celebs list. Crystal Lee is also listed along with people born on 2 August 91. One of the precious celeb listed in pageant contestant list. Nothing much is known about Crystal education background and childhood. We will update you soon. Crystal primary income source is pageant contestant. Currently we don't have enough information about his family, relationships, childhood, etc. We will update soon. Estimated net worth in 2019, $100K, $1 million. Crystal body measurements, height, and weight are not known yet, but we will update soon. Not much is known about Crystal family and relationships. All information about his private life is concealed. We will update you soon. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Love you guys.